Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey beautiful friend, I hope you are doing super well today. So a while back we introduced a new knitted shawl pattern called Copland, and it has been really popular, and we have had a boatload of requests to please do a crochet version. So ta-da! Here you go! This beautiful shawl pattern is called Villiers, and it was designed for you by Kristina Smiley, and it is super duper easy. So easy. It's just a 2-row repeat, and basically is just single crochets and half double crochets. This shawl pattern is great for several reasons. Let me tell you. This would be a great first time shawl to make. It is impossible to run out of yarn. You just stop whenever you want to stop. This is really cool too because although we did this fun shifty stripy look, you could do the whole thing in a solid color if you want, or since the design is so simple, you could even use a variegated yarn, a speckled yarn, do whatever you would like to do. The pattern can handle it. For this pattern, we chose our Sincere sock yarn. It is soft and lofty and squishy, and it just makes for great cozy shawls like this. If you would like more information on the yarn, the crochet pattern, or even the knitted version, you will find all of that at expressionfiberarts.com. And we will put the direct links in the description for you. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive on in. You're going to begin with a magic ring, and I'm going to show you how simple that is. To work a magic ring, you're going to place the end of your yarn here across your fingers, and then take the working yarn, which is attached to your ball, and wrap it around your fingers like so, making a little X here, and I just like to pinch that. And then take your hook and insert it under your first loop, and grab that yarn there, pulling it up. And now you're ready to work into your magic ring. So go ahead and grab your working yarn like you would normally tension it. And we're gonna start this pattern by working a chain 2. And then 5 half double crochets into this ring here. And this is gonna be the setup of our little shawl. So we're going to count this chain 2 as a half double crochet, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want 6 total. So we have our original chain 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 half double crochets. And then you can go ahead and start to pull your little ring closed if you like. Okay, here's how you work row 1. So we're going to turn our tiny little piece here, and for row 1 we're going to start with a chain 1, and this does count as your first single crochet. So then you're going to work a single crochet into this first stitch here, and then work a single crochet into the next half double crochet as well. Then into that next half double crochet, you're going to work 2 single crochets. 1, 2, and then a chain 1, which is going to be the center of your shawl, the little spine going down the middle. Then you're going to work 2 single crochets into the next stitch. 1, and into the same stitch, another one, 2. Then a single crochet in the next half double crochet. And then you're going to do 2 single crochets into the top of this beginning chain 2 here. So 1 and 2. And you can already see we have a little tiny triangle shape happening. Okay, let's work row 2. We're going to turn for row 2, and we're going to start with a chain 2. And this does count as your first half double crochet. Then you're going to work 1 half double crochet into the very first stitch here, like so. And then you're going to work 1 half double crochet into each stitch all the way across until you get to that center chain 1 space. So just keep going all the way, and this is obviously going to get longer and longer as your rows go along. So when you reach your chain 1 space in the middle, you're going to work a half double crochet into it, a chain 1, which again is your center spine of your shawl, and then another half double crochet into that same chain 1 space. And if it helps to put little stitch markers there so you always remember where that center spine is, you definitely can do that. Then you're going to work half double crochets in each stitch until you get to that final stitch on the end. So just continue working that all the way down this side of your shawl. Now when you get to that final, it's going to be that little chain 1 here. When you get to that, you're actually going to work 2 half double crochets into that final edge stitch. And there you go. Now for row number 3. For row 3, you're going to start with a chain 1, which does count as a single crochet. Going to turn, of course. Then you're going to single crochet in the first half double crochet right here. Then this is super simple, really similar to the previous row. You're just going to single crochet in each stitch across until you reach that center chain 1 space. It's quite easy. I love patterns like this because you can watch TV, you can talk with friends. It's quite mindless. So keep going till you reach that chain 1 space. I do really recommend a little stitch marker there just to make it a little easier to see. And then when you do come to that, you're going to work a single crochet, a chain 1, and a single crochet into that space there. Then continue along working 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way back down this side of your shawl until you reach that final stitch. And the final stitch is that chain 2 from the row before, and you're just going to work 2 single crochets into the top of that chain 2 space, and that is going to finish off that row. 1 and 2. So you can cinch up your little hole there if you haven't done so already. And you can already see how it's forming a triangle, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. All right, so now you're just going to repeat rows 2 and 3 over and over and over until the shawl is the size that you like, changing colors as you wish. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful pattern. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and whatever you do, go out and have an amazing day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. All right, without further ado, for this pattern, we used our soft and lofty sincere sock yarn. It is soft and lofty.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh, but do what you want. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope, okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna see you next time. Bye-bye.